Thank you, Ladi.
All right, now let's take a look at what's happening in other markets. Now, we see Bitcoin remains stable and settled above the 30,500 support zone. But Bitcoin started a steady increase there. Did touch 31,000. Quite a jump there. Let's look at the market now. We see the sentiment in the market still greed. That's what we have in the market right now. Top cryptocurrencies that we track, see Bitcoin $30,915. It touched the 31,000 level. Big top that was 0.77%. That was yesterday, but it's lost that level now, 30,915. Ethereum, that's holding on at $1,949, 0.15%. We see investors thinking that there might be some kind of crisscross movement there between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe Bitcoin heads downwards and Ethereum heads upward. That's what some investors are saying, and the chatter we're hearing in the market. Binance there, 245. That's the native token there for the Binance exchange. That's down 0.58%. Cardano, that's holding up 1.40%, up 29 cents. Still seeing some resistance at that 30 cents level. XRP, 48 cents. Up 1.26%. Yesterday that was down, but we're seeing some upward movement, some buy pressure there by investors in XRP. Still have that SEC case in the U.S. Let's bring in my guest now, Element Dambo, joining me via Zoom. Great to have you on the show, Element.
Oh, hey, Lottie. Thank you for having me, as always.
Great to have you. So what are the charts telling you about price action for Bitcoin and Ethereum?
Yeah, no, starting off with Bitcoin, if you've looked at, I don't know, the last week or so, of course, Bitcoin rose to a one-year high. And now, of course, today, 4th of July in the US. So markets, the equity markets are somewhat closed, but you're still seeing you're seeing consolidation. So I think what you're going to see this week, of course, tomorrow when the markets reopen, you have the FOMC minutes. So you're probably going to get some moves around this. And of course, Friday, we have non-farm payrolls. But Bitcoin at the moment is still hovering around that 31K mark. And if we do see a breakout, it does look like bulls are targeting that 32K level. So potentially later on this week, we could see Bitcoin at 32K.
All right, will the second half be bullish? We've seen quite a move from the first half of 2023. What are you seeing for the second half for Bitcoin and Ethereum?
Yeah, and what we saw last week, of course, with consumer sentiment in the US coming in higher than expected, we are now for sure expecting more hikes from the Fed. So we did see markets somewhat react to this, but in overall terms, if you're looking at the relative strength index, especially on a longer term time frame, like a weekly or a monthly, it does look like Bitcoin needs to overcome some key levels first. But if it does, I wouldn't be surprised if you see Bitcoin ending the summer probably around 40K.
Yeah, definitely watching out for that. See how price action goes for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the second half. It's been a successful first half, but it remains to be seen what happens next. Thank you so much, Element Dambo. It's great having your perspective today.
Thank you. Thank you as always.
All right, now let's look at the top gainers today. See who's topping the gainers counter. We see GCR $3.08, $41% up. Big move there, double digits gain we're seeing. Big move. MakerDAO $993. That's up 9.72%. So we're still seeing some bullish sentiment with altcoins this morning. Aptos, that's $8.10, 9.70%. And we see Pepe there, that's the meme coin, new kid on the block. Meme coin's done so well, getting on the gainers counter up 7.79%. Let's look at the top losers counter now. Let's see who's topping the losers counter. See Flow, 8.29%. Down this morning, 67 cents. And we see Bitcoin Cash there. It's had an incredible move. In the first half, it's up about 200%, but now we're seeing some pullback. Profit taking, 4.98% down, $281. And eCash, that's down 4.84%. And Syntex, 4.29% down. That's what we're seeing for the market. So it's not double-digit losses. We're still seeing the market, looking for direction right now. So that's how the market is looking today. And that's the program. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join us at 1:30 on Business and Corporate for more updates and developments in the world of business And you can definitely watch this again on our YouTube channel. Just flip over to YouTube, search for Channels Television. You can watch all our productions. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Bye-bye.